welcome back to our ginger jar challenge, which is the assembly part. So on the assembly we have 90 minutes to assemble. I've already started, so I'm about 10 minutes in, because what I've already done is the top of the small jar, so lid and finial, so that's that bit ready. What we've got to do next is we have the base of the small ginger jar, so we'll get you on the wheel so we can see what's going on over here. Give me a bit better position, and we'll zoom in a wee bit. That's it. So we've got on a gift and grip to save a bit of time. So we've got it centred. I'll trim this base out a wee bit, and to do that I need a bit of clay, a couple of sausages worth. Leave that there. Get our seat ready. Get our watch ready. So we've got about ½ inch or so on here. A couple of sausages of clay. So this is always the hardest bit to do, I find, because it doesn't stick to this bit very well. So we'll put more on, put bigger lumps on, I think. And the third one. Get them like that. So here we go. So I want to get a bit of pressure on the top to start with, a little plastic lid. Get it going. Tools we're using today. We'll have a go with the Hsinchuen Leach trim tool today, which I find quite nice. So we're going to make this a bit slender, keeping the shape, and then carve a foot on it. So here we go. So this is the awkward bit, which I always struggle with. So now we just got to get rid of this bit in here, which is always the hardest bit to do. Never know which tool to use for the only thing when the clear, because it was quite thick, the clear's still quite wet when you dig into it, which can be a bit annoying. Well, I don't think we'll push that bit anymore. see how we've done it. That's a bit lighter, definitely a bit lighter. So we've got that. We got our lid. So that's our first ginger jar done. Right, get the next bits where we have some assembly to do. So I'll reset and I'll see you in a second. Okay, next piece is, this is the top part of our large vase which we've thrown. Now this is a bit weird because we've got to trim the inside just to thin the walls out a bit. So this, it shouldn't be too difficult, but you know what pottery's like. Right. We'll just check this. Bring all these covers over here. I'll be back in a second. So we'll spin you around. Let's see what we're aiming at here. Where we're gone. Now we're there. So we've got this bit, which is the base, which I need to get a bit of water on it because it's drying up a bit. And because we made it in two pieces, we put that bit onto there, like so. And that gets us to, what's that? That's 41 centimetres and a lid and a thing, so we might still be just short, but next thing we've got to attach this. So we'll go back to the wheel. That bit, we have a brush, we have a scoring tool, and we have this bit. So I've left this one on the bat, so this will stop on, so I can trim that a bit. This is the crucial bit. Plenty of that one there. Same on there. Plenty of slip. And we need any on. And this side as well. That's it. My heat has gone off. Right. So I've got to put this on here. I would have liked it to have been a bit wetter, so I could have shaped it a bit better. But so what I'm doing, whether it's right or wrong, I'm just blending the joints in. That'll help everything stick together. Try and trim that a little bit, but we'll see how that goes. So what I want is my spray bottle. So try and merge this all together now. So well, they're together. They are together. They are one piece. And what I do want to do is, I'll see if I can get this inside joined nice as well, and put a bit of water on that sponge. That's it, I think we'll leave it at that. So we're running out of time. So that now needs to be cut off. Cut off, cut off. Where's my wire? Where's my wire? How we doing for time? 36 minutes. Loads of time. Loads of time. Right, we'll cut this fella off. Ooh, hoo, 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 hoo. Well, we're free. Hello. I don't want to stress it out too much. We'll come back. We'll trim that in a little while. Hello. Got a good echo. It's not particularly heavy. I mean, it is heavy, but it's not too bad. So, other bits to do is lid, and finial. We've got on the lid to play with. Half an inch. Could have thrown that more of a point, I think. But what's done is done. So now I'll throw this fella on here. Are we still in the shop? Yes, we are. Better. So what we need to do next is cut some of the middle out. Now we just want to poke a hole in it, some slip. Slip on there. Place that on there. Sponge. Pressure on that. That's it. That's our lid done. Just got to hope it dries now. So we've still got 20 minutes left in the challenge. So I'm just going to figure out how I'm going to trim the bottom of this really tall vase without it collapsing on us. So I'll just pause the video. I'll be back in a minute when I've had a think. Well, we've come up with a contraption. If it works, I'll be amazed. If it works, I'll be amazed. We just got to smooth this bottom bit off, really. So, get our sharpest tool. Put a small circle in the middle. And we'll just see if we can smooth this bottom off. It. I'm going to quit. Before I totally break it. Come on out. So we'll get you into picture. Say what you think. So there you go, the ginger jars, challenge completed. So height, how did we do for height, and how did we do for time, for that matter. Got about, well, 9 minutes left, so challenge completed, and we got 30 centimetres, 52. So we made it. Just. I mean, that one's pretty good. This one's okay. Hopefully the joint holds up. The lip could have been a bit wider, just so it sits on it better. But I'm pleased that we actually got it finished. So thanks for watching. There will be a part 3. Whether we get a chance to pit fire these or not, I doubt it. If not, we'll bisque and just glaze them. Of course, I think they'll be pretty good once they're glazed. So thanks for watching. See you in part 3. Like, subscribe, comment, website, Etsy shop, get in touch. Thanks very much, and I'll see you in the next video.